Would you rather communicate with animals or understand every language on Earth? Would you rather live in a tropical jungle or survive in the Arctic wilderness? Would you rather fly like an eagle or swim like a dolphin in the ocean? Would you rather have a loyal wolf companion or a wise owl advisor? Would you rather know how the universe began or know how animals think? Would you rather protect a vulnerable species or stop climate change forever? Would you rather spend a year living as a bear or a lifetime as a squirrel? Would you rather be a respected wildlife biologist or a celebrated marine biologist? Would you rather never see a sunset again or never hear birds sing? Would you rather be lost in a magical forest or stranded on a mystical island?